Simscape Battery provides design tools for modeling and simulating battery and energy storage systems. You can use these tools to test battery architectures, design battery management systems, and evaluate battery system behavior across normal and extreme conditions. You model these systems by assembling the components into a schematic. Then, select the physical effects you wish to include, assign parameter values, and you are ready to simulate. Simscape Battery includes design tools that automate the creation of battery pack models. You create models that represent your desired topology. These models can include cooling plate connections so that electrical and thermal responses can be evaluated. You can integrate electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, and other systems into your model using components from the Simscape family of products. Simscape offers a set of fundamental components in many physical domains, and it provides the technology for simulating and analyzing physical systems. The Simscape add-on products provide additional models and analysis capabilities for applications such as electrical power networks, heating and cooling systems, and mechatronics. You can integrate these with three-dimensional mechanical systems and analyze their behavior using an animation of the simulation results. Simscape battery models can also be converted to C code. This enables them to support testing of embedded software in configurations such as processor-in-the-loop and hardware-in-the-loop testing, which is much safer and more efficient than testing on hardware prototypes. Simscape battery models integrate directly with block diagrams in Simulink, state machines in Stateflow, and MATLAB functions. You can simulate your entire system in a single environment. This accelerates tasks such as designing control systems and optimizing system-level performance. For more information on how Simscape Battery can support your entire development process, please visit our website or select one of the options below.